Hey y'all, it's Taylor from Tattoo Teacher Plans. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going through all of the kits that I will be using in the month of November. So I use 2 planners with sticker kits. I use the Plum Paper Vertical Priorities in A5, and I use the 7x9 sticker planner from Sadie's Stickers. So let's start with my Plum Paper kits first. I have been wanting to use this kit for a while, and I finally bought it from Let's Plan It. It's so cute. This is the Lydia collection. I got 2 pages, the supplemental page, which is here, and then this boxes page, which I think goes with the regular like 7x9 kit, but the columns in the Plum Paper Vertical Priorities are pretty close to the standard 1.5, so these are going to work really well, and I love having all of these boxes options. And the color palette's super cute. So that is Lydia by Let's Plan It. Then I have this journaling kit from Jessica Hearts. It's a 2-page kit called Rainy Day Cozy Nights. I really like the color scheme, and it's really pretty. I've got a lot of things to work with here. I love the big deco and the washi strips over here. It's just really pretty, and I like the artwork. Very cozy. Then I have this journaling kit from Saucy Stickers Co. and this is so pretty, called Rainfall. So beautiful, and there's just so much variety here, which is going to be fun to work with, and the color palette's gorgeous. I really like this little quote here and this little Polaroid. So cute. Then we have a couple of options here from Taylor Ryan Design. So I'm definitely going to use these 2 pages for my Thanksgiving spread. It's just really pretty, and I love these little sweaters. I think I will throw in this sticker as well from this sheet, which has the embroidery on it. And then I've got these that I could use throughout the month from Let's Plan It, 2 fall quotes sheets. So this is fall quotes 1, lots of fun scripts, and then this is fall quotes 2. These will just be fun to use throughout these spreads over here, and especially with this one here. So that is it for my Plum Paper Vertical Priorities. Now let's go to my Sadie's Stickers Memory Planner kits. So this one is the November monthly from Caress Press called October Avenue. Really beautiful color scheme, and I love her kits for my monthlies. There's just so much to work with. So here is the main page with the covers that go across the top of the spread. Lots of icons. I really like this one with the sunlight coming in. That'll go across the other side. Some full boxes here. You get some pattern boxes, which are so cute. Lots of labels to work with. And then this little extra sheet that has a lot of stuff on it that I can use. Some extra little full boxes there, some deco. And then here is the beautiful sidebar sticker. So pretty. I love the whatever floral this is that's throughout the kit. Super pretty. I think this is going to be gorgeous all laid down. Then I have my Halloween spread kit. This is called Practical Magic from Jessica Hearts. This is so beautiful. It's a photography kit. It is a mini kit version, which I tend to use in my memory planner. Such pretty photos. So fun. I love the colors in this too. There's the bottom washi, which is so pretty. I should have gotten the foiled sheet with this. I didn't get it, but it's so cute. Some labels here, and then an extra full box, which is so cute. And then some more labels here and here. Ooh, that's cute. A midnight margarita weekend. So cute. Excited to use that one. Then this one from CD Stickers called Raindrops. I love this one so much. It's just so beautiful, and the colors are so pretty. As always, the foiling is top-notch. Here's the second page. Some foiled boxes. Third page. Oh, that's so pretty. And then the last page with the bottom washi and the date covers. I think her format has changed, but I really like this format. It's great. So that is a Raindrops from Sadie's Stickers. Absolutely beautiful. Now we have a kit from Lemon and Honey Studio. I haven't used one of her kits in a hot minute, so excited to get back into her kits. This one is called Crisp Mornings, and it's beautiful. Really fun artwork. And then here is the bottom washi, the date covers, which do have dots, which is really nice. Some scripts, some labels. And then tons of boxes on this page. Really cute. So that is Crisp Mornings. And then this one from Scribble Prince Co. is going to be my Thanksgiving kit. So this one is beautiful. It's a little fancier than our Thanksgiving. So I think I'm going to leave this box out. Maybe this one as well. But there's some other options in here I can definitely use. Love the little kitty and the dog. So cute. The color scheme of this one is pretty traditional and neutral. And I just think it'll be perfect for this week. It's going to be a fun Thanksgiving. I will definitely use these 2 boxes. Color scheme is so pretty. And then I love these patterns. Here's the last sheet with the bottom washi, and you can put an overlay on that one, make it fancier. And then here are the 2 extra boxes, which are really cute. I think I might use this one. And that is it. These are all of the stickers that I will be using in the month of November. Let me know if you have any questions down below about any of these shops or kits. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Hit that notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload to my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye!